What to consider while doing Shopify SEO. There are many things you need to consider while doing SEO for Shopify, but the most important are: number 1. Conduct keyword research. Keyword research is finding the right keywords to target for your website. It involves analyzing your competitors, looking at search data, and more. So by including relevant keywords on your shop's pages, you can make your site more visible in the search results. Number 2. Title tags and meta descriptions. Optimization. Title tags and meta descriptions are small pieces of text that appear on your website. They help search engines understand what your website is about. So by optimizing your title tags and meta descriptions, you can make your website more visible in the search results. Number 3. Optimize your product descriptions. Your product descriptions play a big role in your shop's SEO. That's because they're one of the main ways that search engines understand what your products are about. So it's important to make sure that your product descriptions are well written and keyword rich. Number 4. Create a well-structured URL. The way you structure your URLs can have a big impact on your shop's SEO. That's because search engines use your URLs to understand what your pages are about. So it's important to make sure that your URLs are well structured and include relevant keywords. Number 5. Create a sitemap and sitemap to search engines. The sitemap is a file that helps search engines understand the structure of your website. It lists all the pages on your site and helps search engines index them correctly. Once you've created your sitemap, you need to submit it to search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It will help them find and index your store more quickly. Number 6. Use alt tags on images. Always include alt tags when you upload images to your store. Alt tags are small pieces of text that describe the image. They help search engines understand the image and how it relates to your store and products. And the image